My dear children, good morning. How are you? I hope all are doing well. I am your Shubha Miss. I am taking English. Okay children, may I ask a question? What are wild animals? Do you know? The animals? Yes. Okay, the animals that live in forest. They are called wild animals. Do you know the name of wild animals? Yes, lion, okay, tiger, elephant, zebra, giraffe. Okay, do you want to see these? These are some wild animals. Look here, lion, tiger and bear, chimpanzee, giraffe, leopard, etc. What are domestic animals? What are domestic animals? Okay, do you know? Tell me, what are domestic animals? Animals, some animals, yeah, we keep in our home. That is domestic animals. Do you know the name of domestic animals? Yeah, cat, dog, then hen, duck. Okay, these are pet animals, yeah, domestic animals. Okay children, do you know the name of our lesson? Yeah, Billu the dog. The name of our lesson is Billu the dog. Do you like stories? It is a story about a dog, a pet dog. Okay children, look, this is our textbook. Observe this picture well. What do you see in this picture? A home and some animals. Is this a big house? No, it is not a big house. It is a small house. And these animals are domestic animals. What's the help they are doing for us? How do they help us? Look here. The hen gives us eggs. The dog guards our house. And the cat drives the rat, and the goat also give us milk, and they are very helpful us. Let us start our lesson. A farmer had a faithful dog called Billu. A farmer had a faithful dog called Billu. What's the name of that dog? Billu. Do you know the spelling of Billu? B-I-L-L-U, Billu. He was very old and had lost almost all his teeth. He was very old. Is it a pup? No, it is not a pup. It is very old and lost almost all his teeth. Children, do you know what happened when a dog becomes an old? It loses his strength, it loses his hair, it loses his teeth, and it cannot run fast. Isn't it? Can you think this dog helped his master? Why? No, this dog is never help his master because he is very old and weak. He is always lying. Understood? Okay. Then all of you look at this picture. Who is this? This is the farmer and his wife. A baby in her lap. And Billu dog is sleeping. What they are doing? They are talking. What they are talking? They are talking about Billu. Okay children, let us look at the text. One day the farmer told his wife, I will throw Billu out tomorrow. He is of no use to us. The farmer's wife is very nice woman. She said, please don't. Let the poor creature live here. He has served us since he was a pup. But he is too old to do anything now. The thieves aren't scared of him at all. Tomorrow shall be his last day with us. Poor Billu dog heard everything what they are talking. Billu is actually not sleeping. He is listening what they are talking. Billu dog was very sad. Billu dog was very sad and afraid and frightened. Oh my God, tomorrow onwards what can I do? Who will give food and water to me? He thought. In the evening, he went to the forest. Look here, who is this? This is Billu dog. And who is this? This is a fox. What they are talking? They are talking about the farmer's decision. They are talking about the farmer's decision. Look, Billu heard what the farmer said. He was frightened. In the evening, he went to the woods. He met his best friend, the fox. He told the fox what was going to happen. He told the fox what was going to happen. Children, who is the best friend of Billu dog? The fox. Do you know, children, fox is a very cunning animal, and that's why the fox told to the Billu dog, don't worry, I will be here and I will solve this problem softly. Don't worry, I have got an idea. Okay, do you understand? And here the fox shared the idea with Billu. They planned, they shared with Billu. Understood? The next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. Okay, children, look here. Who are they? Farmer and his wife. And they, who is sleeping on the ground? Their baby is sleeping on the ground. What are they doing? They are working in the field. And who is watching the baby? Billu dog is watching the baby. At that time, what happened at that time? Suddenly, a fox came there. Suddenly, a fox came there in that bush. And the farmer and his wife saw this. They shouted, help, help, please save my son, help. At that time, the Billu dog jumped and bite the fox, attacked the fox, bite the fox. The fox frightened and ran away. The fox frightened and ran away. And Billu dog saved the baby. Billu dog saved the baby. And the farmer and his wife are very happy. Farmer and his wife are very happy. Okay, children, look here. Do you like this story? Children, in this story, who is the real hero? The fox is the real hero of the story. Why? He saved the baby. He saved the baby. Because he had an idea and shared with the dog. Okay. Then all of you take your notebook and write the heading Billu the dog. And draw a picture of a dog and write Billu. Okay, children? Bye. Take care.